Welcome to the Knitty Gritty Intro to Knitting video series. I'm Danny Mize and I created this channel to help break down the building blocks of knitting and show you just how simple it really is. If you are new to knitting, make sure you follow along our series on the Knitty Gritty channel, and you too will be completing finished projects in no time. Welcome to the first video in the Knitty Gritty Intro to Knitting video series. Today's video, we're going to show you how to do a basic cast on. Casting stitches onto your needle is the beginning of any knitting project. And while there are many methods to casting stitches onto your needle, today we're going to show you what is by far the most simple. And as you progress as a knitter, you'll be able to learn more advanced methods based on the specifications of individual knitting projects. Let's get started. This video is going to go through the basic cast on. So what we're going to do, we're going to take to my right, I've got what we call the tag end of our yarn. To my left, this follows back to my actual ball of yarn. So we're going to take the two ends and we're going to push our fingers together to create a loop. I'm going to guide then this strand of yarn up through that loop, grab it, pull it through to make a simple slip knot. And I'm going to take that loop and slip knot and we're going to drape that over the end of our needle. Get it on there about halfway down, and then we're going to tighten the slip knot by pulling both ends apart like that. And we want that snug enough that it doesn't fall off, but also loose enough that it will slide around and have some give on the needle. Now, with the strand that goes back to my actual ball of yarn, this is the strand that is going to actually create the stitches on the end of our needle. So we're going to drape that strand over our thumb, grab it with our forefinger, and simply rotate over to create this loop. That loop then, we're going to slide over the end of our needle, pull the strand tight, down to the first stitch. Again, we're going to drape that over our thumb, grab it with your forefinger, simply rotate to create this loop. Loop goes over the end of the needle, and we pull it tight. Again, draped over our thumb, pinch forefinger, twist, over the end of the yarn, pull it tight. Let's get up to 10 stitches on here. As you start to learn the method, you can speed up a bit, and in no time you can have 10 stitches on your needle. And there you have it. That is by far the simplest way to cast stitches onto your needle.